Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have a tripod for your phone, has lights, has a Bluetooth wireless remote, it's tripod, stabilizer. For one thing, well, I'm not sure why I didn't close. But here it is. For comparison, here's my phone. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, it comes with instructions here. Micro USB cord. As you can see, it opens up here. And then, I'm not sure how to turn on the lights. It's not charged, I guess. As you can lock it. Swivels all the way around. There's a slot here for your phone. I guess it stretches both ways. And this goes both ways too. Depending on what you want to focus, you put your light towards you or towards your subject. Okay, so this does have battery. It's just each one is individual power. You change the lighting here. Not sure what this does. Oh, you can actually, it actually stabilizes it in a way. Interesting. So you can charge here. I guess it charges, I don't know, here's a charger port here on the side. Another charger port here on the side. Then, it folds here. You come a tripod. It extends a little bit off the ground. And then this part extends as well. So it has a lot of things in this tripod. And this removable remote. I don't see a part to charge it. So it probably uses like that button cell battery. Clips on and off. Very convenient actually. For vlogging or whatever. It does not have a cold shoe or hot shoe. So you can't really mount anything there. If you don't want to use it for your phone, you could probably use it for like a GoPro. No, I don't see it here. But yeah. A lot of things in a small package. So I'm gonna keep this in my car or something. Whenever I need a blog or something, it's there. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.